Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on scale drawings. Scale drawings are used by professional people such as architects, engineers, town planners, surveyors, and many other designers. Scale drawings are usually prepared before the real object is built. A scale drawing has exactly the same shape as the object that is to be built. It is usually smaller in size. So the scale on a drawing is really a ratio, and it's the ratio of the drawing length to the real length. The scale can be shown in either of two different ways. For example, 1 centimetre is to 1 metre or 1 is to 100. Examples. Represent each of the following scales in ratio form. 1 centimetre is to 3 metres will be 1 centimetre is to 300 centimetres, and that's 1 is to 300. 1 millimetre is to 100 metres will be 1 millimetre is to 100,000 millimetres, and that is 1 is to 100,000. Number 3. The scale on a drawing of a piece of land is 1 is to 10,000. If a shed is 3 centimetres from the house on the map, how far is the actual distance? So the scale is 1 is to 10,000. So 1 centimetre on the map is 10,000 centimetres in real life. So 3 centimetres on the map is 30,000 centimetres in real life. Hence, the distance between the house and the shed is 300 metres. Of course, all you do, you divide that by 100 to change it to metres, and that gives you 300 metres. Look at the map to the right, that's this one here. If A and B are 12 centimetres apart on the map, how far apart are they in real life? We notice on the map the scale is 1 is to 18,000. That's important. So 1 centimetre is to 18,000 centimetres will be 1 centimetre is to 180 metres. Because if we divide that by 100, that changes it to metres. So 1 centimetre represents 180 metres in real life. That's 1 centimetre on the map. So 12 centimetres on the map represents 2,160 metres in real life. So this video has given us a brief introduction to scale drawings, and we've seen that a scale drawing is exactly the same shape as the actual object, but it is normally smaller in size.